This is going to be a video tutorial on how to display file extensions in Windows 10. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To enable file extensions in Windows 10, by default my file extensions were not showing. If you look here on my desktop, I have a note which is a text document. As you can see, it doesn't tell me that it's a text file. And I have an image which is a PNG file. And as you can see, it's not showing me that it's a PNG file. The way to enable file extensions or to disable them, either way, you want to go down to your taskbar down here, down to the little folder icon. That is your File Explorer. I'm going to click on that. That will open up the File Explorer. And at the very top of the File Explorer, you want to click on the View tab, View. That'll bring down a little drop down here. And down off to the right side in the Show Hide area, File Name Extensions. You want to make sure that that box is checked to enable file extensions. I'm going to check the box. And now if I close this out and I go back on my desktop here, as you can see, my note it tells me that it's a text document, and the picture file tells me that it's a PNG file. That is how to show your file extensions in Windows 10. Thanks for watching.